Hola beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. And if it is your first time here, welcome to the channel that is all about all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, we are almost to 5K. Welcome back. First, let me say thank you. I want to thank each one of you for supporting me, for supporting my channel. We are almost to 5,000 subscribers, y'all. Oh my God, this has been a long road. It's been a love-hate journey, but hey, I am still here and thank you. Since you are here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you check the description box. Now, let's just jump right into the video since I'm always accused of talking too much. In today's video, I am doing a Shein summer try-on haul. What I did was I purchased pieces from Shein. The world has opened up. You know, everybody knows that everyone is back outside. And so since we are going outside, we want to be cute, right? Right. I want to show you a few pieces that I picked up for all of my outside events. I mean, vacation, brunch, just whatever you do, just being outside. I have quite a few pieces, and I am beginning with t-shirts. I love a graphic tee, and all of these t-shirts, they were so cheap, y'all, and because they were like $5 and $6. So anyway, let me step back so you can see this first one. Remember, this is a summer try-on haul. Okay, this is a cute casual fit. The graphic tee, y'all, look what it says. Thick thighs, thin patience. That is me, y'all. Always trying to lose weight. I have very thin patience because I want it to be gone like this. This t-shirt is a size large, and it's a nice little stretch to it. I mean, like, it's kind of thin. It will do what you need it to do. Shirt number 2, limited edition, cute little stretchy white shirt. This one is a little bit cropped, y'all, and it's a little bit more fitted. But again, check out the fit. I mean, you could switch it up, put this white t-shirt on. You could change your shorts up. On to the next graphic tee. Another graphic tee, perfectly imperfect. All of my graphic tees are a size large. I ordered the size based on what the description said. Now, if it contained stretch, I typically will order size down, but because these were t-shirts and I wasn't sure, I went ahead and ordered a large. And usually a large is what I typically wear, depending on how the shirt is made. But all of these shirts are like cheap material graphic tees, so I need the large. Last graphic tee, this one, y'all, I fell in love with it. You have the high heel. I love heels. Check out what's in it, look. All of the makeup. Have your brushes, your lipstick, just everything that I use, everything that I love. So again, here you have it.
And if the beat live, you know Lil Ju made it. Hands on my knees, shaking on my thigh.
All right, y'all, I'm back with 2 pieces. Now, this is a tank top, a tank crop top. This is what it looks like. Really cute. What caught my eye, y'all already know, the yellow. I love yellow. Yellow has become my favorite color these days. I just love the way it looks against the melanin. I mean, that's all. It pops. And this blazer, same thing. Y'all see the colors in this blazer? Y'all see that yellow? That's what really caught my eye. But I didn't realize, y'all, until I got it, that it had all these skulls on it, y'all. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, I'm not a big fan of skulls. However, this is cute. I mean, I can overlook those skulls just for the colors that's in this. It has 1 button. Y'all see that? Really cute. These sleeves are long, but I rolled them up for the sake of the video and the fact that this is a summer try-on haul, and I wanted to show you that you very well can wear this blazer in the summertime. I mean, depending on where you're going. This blazer is a size large, y'all. It's very stretchy. That's what I love about it. It has shoulder pads. I love the length of it. It's not super long, but it's not really short. So it'll look good over pants. It'll look good with these shorts. You don't have to button it. I paired it with a pair of sandals just to show you that this can be worn dressed up or dressed down. Oh, my tank top is actually a size medium. When I get tank tops, I typically go down to a medium because I want it more of a snug fit. I don't want it to be big, loose, and frumpy. So this is a medium. And y'all, the yellow is back. This time, this is a really cute midi, almost maxi bodycon dress.
Hey yo, I am the star in any room that I stand in. I am the standout, you just my stand-in.
This is a really cute dress. It can be dressed up with a pair of heels, or you could dress it down with a cute pair of sandals of your choice. This dress is a size large. Y'all, it's stretchy, but it's also that fitted type stretch. Like everything needs to be smooth when you wear this. It's very see-through and it was very inexpensive. Definitely need to wear a shaper underneath this, unless you're wearing it as a cover up. Then you can put it over a bathing suit. I mean, because it's so thin, you can really see straight through it. So I feel like the undergarments need to be dark, or like I say, you could put it over a swimsuit. Really cute, size large. I definitely could not size down in this, although it contains stretch.
Like the way she worked.
Okay, next up is a really cute scarf dress. Anyway, it's a really cute spaghetti strap dress. It has the elastic in the waist right up under the breast area. Y'all, this dress is a size extra large, and I ordered an extra large because the description said it did not contain stretch. So anytime an item does not contain stretch, I always go up a size. But in this case, y'all, this is very loose, big, but it's not big. It's loose. It's really loose up here. It's loose right here. But overall, I really do like the fit of it. This is another piece that can be dressed up or down, depending on the occasion and depending on where you're wearing it to. But it's really cute. I really like it. I love the print, as you can see. All these colors caught my eye, but most of all, I know y'all can see that it contains yellow. Really loving yellow. Y'all, I've never had a favorite color, but I really love yellow these days. So anyway, that's what caught my eye. Really cute.
But I swear you got the best song.
I have another bodycon midi dress. This one is tie-dye. I'm not really a fan of this one, y'all. I don't like it. It's a size large, but look at this. I don't like the way it's big up in this area. I mean, this part fits fine. This one is just okay. I'm not really a fan of it. I don't really like the colors in it. I would wear this just like as a house dress, honestly. It's okay.
She's a
Bad things, finding hell.
All right, my beauties, we have come to the last look of this Shein summer try on haul. This dress, y'all, is my favorite dress out of all the dresses that I've tried on today. This really is supposed to be a strapless, like off the shoulder on both sides, but y'all, I was having a hard time trying to get it like that. So I just left it like this, and I actually like it. And I think I will wear it just like this. So let me let y'all see the whole.
Okay, let's see what's about to happen next, okay?
So isn't this cute, y'all? Now, I ordered a size large, y'all, but they sent me an extra large. I know it looks like the dress is fitting good, and it is, don't get me wrong, but because I love bodycon dresses, which means they are supposed to fit. Y'all see all the movement in the bottom of this dress? Because it's an extra large. But I wanted it bodycon, let me show you something, so that it could fit like this, where you could barely pinch an inch. I mean, you would be able to pinch more than an inch on this one because it's very stretchy. But I like it, and I think I will order the large again, just so I could get the more fitted bottom. But I like it, y'all. Look at this. I like it. And it has this elastic waist right here. So it's very, very comfortable. Look at the back. Love it. It's just this little piece of elastic that's right here. I think this could be taken out. They could fix it some kind of way. Somebody can. However, like I said, I like it just like this. So this is how I'm going to wear it. But it really goes off the shoulder. Really cute.
You don't need no other
So
body.
I want to thank you all for tuning into this Shein Summer Try-On haul. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, share the video. Sharing means caring. And I will catch each of you beauties in the next video. Remember, always, always, always stay poppin'. Adios.